Hi there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your header background color in WordPress Astra theme. So once you are in your website and then go to customize. After that hover over the header and then click on the pen icon. Now on the left panel here you will see the header settings. Just go to the design and then background, just select the color. Now you can choose any of color which one you want to add. You can change the bottom border color also. You can change the border size. After that click on publish. So that's how you can change your header background color in WordPress Astra theme. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.